Right, so another relatively simple bird trap, similar to a perch trap, like the triangle bird trap, what they call it, the coat hanger bird trap, but it's like a spring version. So all I've done is 2 split sticks and a couple of bits of elastic. So if you add elastic bands or whatever, or any type of elastic in a survival kit, you can make this very easily. If you didn't have elastic, if you had 2 bendy sticks and tied them at the top, this would work. But it's easier with elastic because you haven't got to worry about, you know, getting bendy sticks, if you know what I mean. Just use any sticks. So at the top, all I've done is I've cut the tops of the sticks just to an angle, and that is so when they open up, see there, so when they open up it kind of lays flat against each other. Then a couple of bands, a couple more bands, down to a fall away perch, and then a couple more bands. On the inside of the bit there, and on the opposite side it's just got some serrations cut into it. You could put spikes or something if you wanted to, but a lot more effort. Now what happens is when the bird stands on that perch, it falls away and the 2 bits of wood come clapping together. Now you're only probably going to get small birds with that. It's not quite got the strength at that size to get bigger birds, unless you put spikes or nails in it. But just like that, you probably get small birds. And there's a possibility you might be able to set this up for ground birds if they're passing underneath a fence or something. As long as the 2 bottom bits didn't kind of drag across the ground too much, you might be able to put it in the gap of a fence where they're passing through. When they stand on that to step through, the bits of wood come flying together. Or you could actually peg one in the ground and have the other one off the ground. That would work. Setting it is fairly awkward. Right, so that's the trigger. That's what I meant at the top. So when it opens, it sits like that. Now I've seen similar traps to this set up this way, manually operated ones, so that when the bird lands on there, an operator pulls something and the top bar comes down and catches the birds around their feet. But I'll sort out a video for that another time. Alright, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.